Hi, one and all. Today, I wanted to cover one interview question. How to find list of files in a specified folder. Generally, we create the folder. In that folder, suppose I created one file. My Java is a folder. In this folder, several files are there. In this folder, several files are there. I wanted to cover what are the files are available in that folder. What are the list of files are available in this folder. Once I'm opening this folder, or suppose I maintain n number of files in this folder, try to see these files. I wanted to know list of files through Java code. I open the command prompt. In the command prompt, normally if you wanted to do this one through command prompt, you do it. Go to that folder location where you typing one command, dir command. Which command is going to be showing the all directories available, showing the list of files which is available with my directory. How to do this process through Java coding, I wanted to concentrate. For that point of view, writing one small Java code with the help of IO package. IO package based, I wanted to write the code. One new class, list of files. List of files demo. Main method I wanted, selected main method, click on finish. Click on finish. Observe here once. Here I wanted to use one package, import java.io package. Java.io package I wanted to use. After writing the IO package file, I wanted to mention one class name. Class name is called as a file class. Main method execution. Under main method, I wanted to use one class name is called as a file class. File f is equals to new file. There I wanted to mention that folder. Here I wanted to mention that folder name. Where is my files are available. Go to this folder, take the properties, here complete location of that folder. Copying that location. C drive, double quotation you mentioned. C drive, backslash, C drive, users. Laptop is my username. There I am going to mentioning the desktop is my location. Similarly, I have to mention the folder name. Similarly, I have to mention the folder. This is my folder. File f is equals to new file. You have to creating the file class reference. After that one, I specified the directory name. Next, I wanted to take one string of array, string of some list of files. Array of list of elements is equals to f dot. There is a thing we are going to mentioning f dot list method. Here we getting the exception over here. Here we getting the list of files we wanted to use. Dot start. List of files, they are internally storing with array structure. Retrieve the elements purpose. Understandability purpose. List of files. List of files in my folder. A specified folder. When I taken this list, all files which is available internally stored with one content, array content. From that array, I wanted to retrieve the elements. For that purpose, loop logic I am going to writing for array index is going to be start from 0. I less than array name. What is my array name? List dot length. List dot length field I wanted to take. Calculating the dynamic elements. List dot length. Next, similarly, I wanted to mention I plus plus. I plus plus. Loop is going to be started. When I take it, internally the list of elements are stored with array structure. From array structure, I wanted to retrieve that purpose, writing the logic. After writing the logic, I wanted to print it. Is out and out dot print ln. My array name is list of I. List of I. Reorder the elements are there with that one. I am going to get it. Try to executing this program. What's one of the files list available? Showing the all list of files are available. Give it once folder. This is the list of files are available. Same thing is going to be displayed with my program. Through Java coding, list of files in a folder we are going to do. Please try to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, one and all.